Good morning, coffee lovers. Good morning, friends, and welcome to a very Christmassy coffee video based on the very popular gingerbread coffee frappe. So this has been a real popular frappe that's been mass produced by Costa Coffee and Starbucks for the past few years. I thought, you know what, I'll show you how to make it. It's really easy to make, really fast, tastes amazing, really Christmassy. Let's smash it. So if you want to make a frappe that looks just like this, there we go. Really nice topping, cream on top there, coffee inside, great espresso inside, not instant coffee, or you could use instant coffee if you really wanted to, but I love the taste of espresso, and unfortunately sometimes these commercial coffee brands stop putting real coffee inside and they start going for the instant, which really has an impact on flavour and product quality. So let's go for it, watch this video, see how to make it yourself, and then start smashing these out at home. Let's get on with it. I'm going to create the double espresso now. I'm just going to grind 18 grams of grind, and we're going to take this over 36 grams of espresso. So it's a 1:2 ratio. Okay, so 18 grams of grind, level, and I'm just going to use the fork just to get rid of any of the bigger lumps. I'm going to do the same process that I normally do just to create that fantastic double espresso. So I'm level, I knock it down, I give it a really good hard tamp. And I do the same tamp that I always do. Then I'm going to get the same quality out. I'm going to use the scales if they're switched on. There we go. Pop my espresso cup underneath. That should give me a 0 reading. And I'm going to use the program function on the coffee machine, and then I'm going to knock it off in time to give me that 36 grams. There we go. I've got a nice double espresso ready for the frappe. So we're going to talk about ingredients for the frappe. On double espresso, I've got some chopped ginger nuts. I've got our gingerbread syrup. We've got the cream, ice. I'm using frappe powder. That's from a company called Simply. Really easy to get on Amazon. I've got some cinnamon powder and milk. So in terms of ice, I've got 16 ounces, and in terms of milk, there I have got around about 160 ml. Okay, so let's get straight into building our gingerbread coffee frappe. First thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to put the ice into the blender. I'm going to put the milk into the blender. I'm going to put the coffee into the blender, frappe powder straight in, oh, catching everything, and I'm going to have 4 pumps of gingerbread syrup. Obviously how many pumps you have is entirely up to you, depending on how you like it, whether you like it really sweet and really full of flavour, kind of extra cosy, or whether you like it a little bit less. And we're going to start the blender by clicking it over to number 1, letting it blend for a bit, and then when we hear the difference in sound, we know that the frappe mixture is ready to go. Let's go. You can see it blending beautifully. And then when we hear the difference in sound, we know that the frappe mixture is ready to go. Let's go. You can see it blending beautifully. still see some bigger lumps in the top, even though the sound has changed. Blending really nicely, it's going to be a really nice smooth frappe. Okay. Yeah, it's looking good. Let's move on to the next stage, which is the all-important pour. Right, let's get this poured. So it's really important when you're pouring the frappe that we leave enough room for cream, even though there's a little bit of mixture left over. I'll just give it a little wobble, just like that, just to flatten the top off. Let's get the cream on. Okay, so I'm just going to use this cream canister. Again, quick purchase on Amazon, about 25 quid. And then you get the gas canisters, you just pop your cream inside, gas it up, and it's ready to go. Give it a good shake. I'm using a dairy-free cream, only because I like the colour, because I think it's a lot whiter. And there we have it. Beautiful cream on top. And then I'm going to use the biscuit. Little bit of biscuit on top there. And all I've done, I've not bought a topping, all I've done is used a few biscuits in the cupboard, chop them up on the chopping board, and then I can use them. It costs me nothing. Okay, nice bit of cinnamon on top there, just to give it a bit of colour, a bit of extra flavour. And there we have it. Our coffee gingerbread frappe. I mean, as a Starbucks copycat or a Costa Coffee copycat frappe goes, I think that's really good. I really like it. And now we'll go for the taste test and we can see how it compares and whether it is actually the same. So let's get straight into the all-important taste test. Oh, that's beautiful. Really nice. I love the taste of ginger. I mean, that gingerbread flavour is really good. The fact that it's sugar-free is a plus. With the coffee in there, really brings out those flavours. You can really taste the coffee flavour, you can taste the gingerbread, and it's probably cost me less than £1. So we talk about $1 to make something like that, or £1.20, maybe $1.50 instead of £5 or £6, depending whether you had alternative milks or, you know, extra shots and things like that that really drip you up in a coffee shop. So you can make this yourself. It's really easy, really fast, and I highly recommend it. Wow your friends, if you have your friends over at Christmas time, with this beautiful, and all you need is a blender and some coffee. It's amazing. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed watching it as much as I've enjoyed making it. I hope you go ahead and make some of it for yourself. Let me know in the comments if you do. Let me know how it goes. And of course, as always, please give the video a like and subscribe to see some more. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.